Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeeGee from Stables. We have an exciting salmon preparation for us. This part of the country is landlocked, but thanks to the flights, we get pretty fresh salmon here. And we're gonna do a pan-seared, crispy salmon with a fruit relish today. I'm very excited. It's one of my favorite dishes. Very quick to serve. Takes about 7 to 8 minutes to dish it up. Best served hot. Let's start by chopping together some red bell peppers, fresh pears, and apples. Add cucumber too if you have, optional. We have lots of basil at the farm. Let's add some basil. Mix together in a bowl the chopped diced cucumber, pear, apple, red bell peppers, and the basil. Finish with lime juice, balsamic vinegar, cracked peppers, and salt. The other lovely ingredient that goes into it is honey. All of this together will add a whole different texture and feel to the crispy salmon that we are about to dish today. Now the most important part of this recipe is pat drying the salmon steak. The skin should be super dry. That's the reason it will become crispy and lovely. Add olive oil, sprinkle salt, and we use Himalayan salt, some pepper, and put this on a sizzling pan. The salmon is a tricky fish. All fishes are tricky and they're fishy. But the trick to salmon is to put it in a very, very hot pan. And if you have a look here, when you are cooking the salmon, the color starts to change from the bottom. And when it reaches halfway through, the bright pink becomes a dull pink. You need to flip the fish. What is very important is not to overcook the salmon. It becomes dry very quickly. 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes at the best on one side. 2 minutes on the skin side should give you the crispiness. Plate this on a plate, and there you go. Simple, tasty, good looking, healthy. Enjoy the dish, guys.